Hey guys, what's happening? Create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone. So, first of all, what you need to do, you can use incognito mode. For every browser that you use, there is an incognito or private browser, right? You can see right here the private browser at the bottom. And I'm gonna click the plus one at the bottom left and start creating my Gmail account, right? Next, what you're gonna do, because they often skip the phone verification for new accounts. Next, use an alternate email, right? Instead of phone, right? You could use another email for verification. Temporary emails might work, but a real one is safer. Next, try VPN for or different devices. Google tracks IPs, so go back and go to the settings, right? General, or you could download the third-party app, VPN, in order to actually enable it, right? Because Google tracks the IPs. So switch to a VPN or another device to reduce phone verification prompts, right? Use BlueStacks or virtual machines. Creating accounts from an Android emulator like BlueStacks or fresh virtual machine can bypass verification, right? Lastly, leverage educational and business domains. Google often trusts .edu, right, or .edu or company emails and may skip form verification when signing up. So, note, creating a bulk account can trigger, excuse me, creating a bulk account can trigger Google's security. So do not spam. Need more tricks? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.